requested. This is a Libra Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus reading for the month of March. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message. Kamusta mga Libra? Kamusta ang puso? Nakapag-desisyon na ba sa buhay-buhay? Okay. May mga bagay na dapat simulan, dapat tapusin. Okay? Tingnan lang kung naka-align pa yung mga ginagawa sa personal goal at dun sa future self na rebuild mo. Alright? Let's see. Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus reading for the month of March. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message. Okay. Announce ko lang din ang ating sale sa Crystal. Ibalik natin ng 1,999 ang dating price na 2,500. At remind ko rin kayo na hindi po ako magme-message sa inyo. Yung mga nagme-message, paki-block na. Okay, if you're ready to have your personal reading, just send me a direct message. Alright. So, you feel so defeated about a wish fulfillment na nagdadala sa'yo ng happiness, okay? And I feel, for the most of you, yung mga may anak dito, meron kayong mga pangarap para sa anak, sa mga bata, future plans na right now is iniisip nyo paano nyo ba maibibigay yung best life para sa mga bata, okay? Trying to avoid conflict, you're manifesting. Trying to avoid conflict, you're trying to manifest an ending of like a broken heart or a very disappointing situation na nangyari in the past. May isang empress dito na sabi niya is mas gugustuhin niya na ayusin ang kanyang finances. Minsan napapagod na rin tong empress na to, okay? The female in this connection, gusto muna niyang magpahinga, nababurn out siya. Okay? At sabi niya, kung hindi naman daw maayos yung energy, no, if the feminine doesn't feel na may patutunguhan tong relationship na to, mas mabuti daw na mag-focus muna siya sa finances. This is the Libra energy, Justice card in reverse, nagkaroon ng mga hindi magandang situation in the past. Dumaan ka nagkaroon ka naman ng pera, magandang blessing, and like diretsong income, no? Parang enough for you na mabili, mapundar yung mga gusto mo. But because of a wrong decision, could be kasal, justice is like decision, or kasal, or anything unfair na nangyari sa'yo, hindi naging favorable sa'yo ang tadhana, okay? So I don't know, because of like a marriage na nagkaroon ba ng divorce, annulment, na malaki yung nawalang pera sa'yo. Because before, it feels like okay naman yung buhay, very stable. But may isang wrong decision or isang relationship na hindi nakabuti para sa'yo na nagdala ng misfortune. Right now, decided ka na magkaroon ng harmony sa buhay mo, but talagang kung ano yung mga nangyayari, natitrigger pa rin yung emotions mo. But this is you trying to learn how to manage your emotions, how to tame your reactions, how to tame pag nagagalit ka, your anger, okay? So, you're trying to detach yourself from yung old version ng sarili mo na very foolish, very, what do you call that? May tendency ka to make foolish decisions in the past, and right now, iniiwan mo na yung past version ng sarili mo na yan, okay? And you're being quiet about that transformation. Okay? This is also like meron ka ng tinanggal na mga connection sa buhay mo na alam mong hindi align dun sa future self na binibuild mo para sa sarili mo. Medyo nahihirapan ka to connect with your intuition, to connect with the divine. Marami kang iniisip on how to rebuild your life. Okay? Magplano ulit. Nagdadahan-dahan ka lang. Because I feel, hindi naging biro yung consequence nung maling decision na to para sa'yo. And also, there's an energy of you longing to have someone to build your dreams with. Sabi ng masculine, meron siyang gustong kausapin, meron siyang hinihintay na sagot, conversation, and the masculine is trying to spy, gather information. Sabi ng masculine, ready na siya na makipag-usap ng maayos, no? Honest communication. But for some of you, na-deliver nyo na tong message na to at hinihintay nyo yung sagot, but right now may delays sa messages or, so kung ano yung hinihintay na good news or message, wala pa. You're thinking of communicating, but you're like lowering your expectations kung ano man yung mga pwedeng mangyari pag nag-transpire na tong conversation na to. But I feel yung main goal ng mga Libra right now is kung ano yung mga bagay na nagdadala ng burden, heartbreak, and pain, matapos na. Okay? Tapusin na yung cycle na yun. Karmic cycle. The reason for the reading, Emperor in reverse, for the longest time in the past, naging stubborn ang energy ng masculine. Meron din siya mga growing up to do na kailangan gawin, but nagkaroon siya ng resistance in the past. But I feel nagkaroon siya ng mga plano to focus more on finances, kung ano man yung mga nangyari. Okay? Recent past, there is a Queen of Wands energy. This is like a side chick energy or isang babae na napapabayaan ang kanyang sarili, napapabayaan ang self-love. Let's see, let's clarify. May isang babae, hindi ko gusto yung energy na to. Nag-i-stalk siya, trying to learn. Kinakalculate niya yung move niya. Hindi daw siya basta-basta gagawa ng decision. This person is being quiet right now, pero nagagalit siya. Itong tao na to may usog. Itong babae na to, kung sino man, may usog. Or gumagamit siya ng black magic. But this feels like a very newbie, na nagsasearch sa social media platform ng mga spells. Okay? It's not wise. Kasi yung mga taong gumagawa ng spells, hindi naman to, hindi to nag-google. It's either tinuruan ng mga magulang, pamana ng lahi, or talagang nag-aral. People playing, especially, I feel this is black magic. Someone is playing with magic. Playing with spells. Because meron siyang gustong i-manipulate na emotion ng isang tao. And I feel that's the masculine. Careful, careful, playing with magic. Or this could be as simple as very manipulative feminine na ginagamit niya yung emotions to manipulate and gaslight. Okay? Careful. Careful. Venus retrograde, Mars retrograde. So, ingat sa mga decisions and actions, especially about love. Okay? So, meron dito nga prayers and manifestations na sana yung mga burden matapos na mga bills, responsibilidad, para maging mas stable na ang finances. Okay? Ituloy ang pagdadasal, Libra. Okay? So, right now, there's a female here na dala-dala ang kanyang cup of love. Sabi niya, totoo yung love ng feminine na to. And, sabi niya is may happiness. Okay. Sabi ng feminine, tanggap naman niya na hindi na stable tong connection na to, wala na rin passionate connection, but nagiging nostalgic about the happy times you had together, you and your person had together. Meron ding energy of like, mas nagfo-focus na lang sa anak energy. Okay. Your person, may mga lies, deception, manipulation, gustong makipagbalikan, very toxic energy, very manipulative, but gusto niyang kumawala pero hindi niya kayang gawin. Gusto niyang makipagbalikan, but sabi niya toxic naman every time. Okay? So, may confusion sa part ng person mo, Libra. Gusto niyang bumalik, pero sabi niya same old cycle, ang toxic niyo daw dalawa. This is karmic. Okay? So, meron ka mga fear and doubt. if yung feminine sa connection na to ay magkakaroon pa, or may mga doubts yung feminine sa connection na to, kung darating na ba yung financial stability sa kanya. Sabi ng feminine is, ano ba daw talaga yung priority niya? Okay? Na parang, kailangan kasi, like, first things first, no? Na parang kung ano yung mga dapat mas mahalaga, yun yung unahin. Kasi may mga bagay na pwedeng gawin bukas or next month. So, iniisip din niya, ano ba yung dapat unahin? Meron din siya mga issues about finances, okay? May mga doubts siya kung paano ayusin yung buhay in terms of like financial success. Until the end of April, Libra, may malaking transformation sa buhay mo. Death card, death and rebirth, the phoenix energy, hard work, at kumbaga is may tracking number na, no? Because of your hard work in the past, may mga parating na swerte. So, tuloy lang yung trabaho, tuloy lang yung energy, yung focus na binibigay mo. Kasi parang, ang nakikita ko dito is magkakaroon ng mga news or reason for you to feel disheartened dun sa mga project or trabaho or yung mga ina-expect mo na increase or promotion. But tuloy lang. Tapusin na yung karmic cycle. I feel may isang karmic cycle. This is in terms of love connection. Tandaan, if you enter into a partnership with someone, okay, you're sharing both karma, good and bad. Kaya nga partnership especially kapag may kasal energy. You're sharing both good and bad karma. Until the end of April, merong parating, okay, the universe is calling you for like a big transformation sa buhay mo. May mga old habits, old connections na hindi na dapat at hindi nakasali sa buhay mo. Yes, may parating na swerte. Continue the hard work. But kung ano yung binibuild mo right now, maaaring magkaroon ng delays. Kumbaga sa like nagtatanim, ina-expect mo baka mid-year, like around June, meron ka ng good news, but maaaring magkaroon ng delays, maaaring magkaroon ng blockages, disappointing situation, like travel in reverse, and this is like moving towards your success. So may blockage sa success and victory. And ang nakikita ko lang naman dito na possible na blockage ay meron kong mga connections na dapat talagang matanggal na. May mga taong may dalang karma, bad karma, and because you're in partnership with these people, business, love, friendship, you're sharing those karma. Natatamaan ka ng ligaw na bala. So, sabihin na natin na ibalato mo na sa experience, charge it to experience yung mga pagdadaanan mo nung first half ng year. But kung ano yung mga inaabangan mo na kumbaga this is, may tracking number na to, parating na to sa'yo. Kung ano yung mga nawala, babalik. Kung ano yung minamanifest mo, especially finances. For now, ang nakikita ko may mga delays, may blockages, at meron pang purging and clearing the space to do kang gagawin. Kasi may mga connections and partnerships na hindi na dapat para sa'yo. Okay? To balance your heart chakra and to heal your heart, Madagascar rose quartz, the pink crystal. To have mental clarity and a stronger connection with the divine, amethyst crystal. And attracting abundance, this is the Brazilian citrine. Lahat ng crystals, high quality, blessed, cleansed, and ritualized by the enlightened guide. Okay? The courage to do whatever you're manifesting, and good luck, the carnelian bracelet. To balance your energy and to protect yourself from negative energy and anti-evil eye, the Madagascar black tourmaline bracelet. Okay? So for now, just kapit lang, continue the hard work, continue ang focus sa mga bagay na mahalaga sa'yo kasi ang nakikita ko dito ay parating na kung ano yung para sa'yo. Kaya lang, may konti pang, kumbaga sa exam, meron pang mga konting, may finals. Okay? Meron pang mga konting like exam na pagdadaanan. Okay? Minsan, sasabihin mo, Lord, nagbago na ako. Lord, ginawa ko na yung transformation. So, sabi ni universe, sabi ni God, talaga, ginawa mo na? O sige, tignan natin, padalan kita ng test. Okay? So, kung ano yung pinaglalabanan mo, like, ayusin mo na yung buhay mo, mag-iipon ka na, biglang may makikita ka ng bagay na gustong-gusto mong laging, non-essential na bigla ka namang mapapagasto. Sabihin ni God, akala ko ba nagbago ka na? Or may mga bisyo, or may mga like procrastination na ginagawa ka before, toxic habits. So sabihin mo, Lord, nagbago na ako. Bibigyan ka ng pagsubok to test if really pasado ka na sa chapter ng life mo na to. Okay? So, yeah, kung pinahulog, wait lang. Sorry. Woo! Wedding rings. Wedding rings yan. Nagwe-wedding rings. Twin flame. Wedding rings. Okay? Twin flames, yin and yang, zen, balance, union, duality, coupling, complement each other. Okay, twin flame energy, you might be dealing with a twin flame wherein, sabi nga, yung mga twin flame energies, soul connections, ito yung mga catalyst for growth. Ito yung mga tao na magti-trigger sa'yo to level up sa buhay. Okay? But, yung free will nasa iyo pa rin naman. And eventually, pag nagkaroon ng harmony dito sa connection na to, there's a wedding ring energy. Okay? Union, wedding, married, soul connection, eternal love. Eternal love meaning you've met this person, you've been in a soul contract with this person, lifetime after lifetime after lifetime. So ano ba talaga yung lesson dito? Bakit kayo nagkita ulit? Bakit may twin flame? Bakit catalyst for growth mo ang person na to? And eventually, if magawa mo yung life assignment, sabi ko nga, may mga delays sa finances, may delays sa mga gusto mong i-manifest, but may mga test ang universe, and this is for you to prove na talagang nakagraduate ka sa module na to. Okay? Na nakagraduate ka sa chapter na to. And pag naayos mo to, there's a twin flame soulmate union here that involves like wedding. This is everlasting promise. Meron kayong soul assignment na ayusin to. And I feel this connection is, kumbaga sa bunga, hinog na. Pag ito hindi pa to naayos, hindi na to, I don't know kung pwede pang next lifetime to. This is super overdue. Okay? To have a mental clarity, and a stronger connection with the divine amethyst. If you have your crystals, walang problema, i-cleanse lang, smoke cleansing, and then bulungan mo ng like sarili mong manifestations, okay? And yeah, see you again in a few days for your bonus reading. And I hope, mas okay ito mas okay itong reading right now compared with yung mga last readings natin. And I just hope na maging mas maganda yung energy para nag-a-align na, nakukuha na yung lesson. And hopefully, kasi this is like a strong soul connection, twin flame union, and there's an energy of like an everlasting promise. So this is like you and your person has promised each other na kahit multiple lifetimes kayo magkita, aayusin nyo to. But I don't know kung ano yung naging struggle right now. Bakit, and dun sa past lifetimes, bakit naging paulit-ulit yung naging failure sa connection na to. Alright? Okay. So, bumagsak kasi yung twin flame na nakabaliktad. So, parang hindi naging maganda yung union. But eventually, pag naging maayos yung energy, nagkaroon ng personal growth, may magandang like outcome tong relationship na to. Soulmate, twin flame, wedding rings. Alrighty, PM me for your personal reading and PM me for your crystals. Meron tayong malaking sale. Ibinabalik natin ng 1,999 with a regular price of, from the regular price of 2,500. Okay? PM lang for your crystals Lahat ng crystals natin, high quality, blessed, cleansed, and ritualized by the Light and Guide. And PM me for your personal reading. Bye-bye, Libra!